On Samsung Galaxy phones, the selfie camera hasn't seen much improvement. In the last several years, Samsung has either reused the same sensor or, as could be the case with the Galaxy S24 range for the next year, just added software optimization. The complete Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra will not get a front-facing camera resolution boost, claims Dutch source Galaxy Club. Meaning that the present 12MP camera from the Galaxy S23 review series may remain. In this case, the 10MP sensor is shared by the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S22. Samsung could be able to make advancements without using extra pixels, however, by enhancing camera processing or software. Additionally, it's feasible that Samsung would make greater use of AI or machine learning, which is not unexpected considering how much the tech industry behemoth company depends on these technologies to take pictures of the moon and stars. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are reported to have a 200MP primary camera, or one that is comparable to the Galaxy S23 Ultra review, in addition to the front camera. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 5x telephoto back sensor, according to the same source who previously made the announcement. However, it's not clear whether the normal versions would also benefit from this. Additionally, it's thought that the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses a more recent periscope camera with a Sony IMX754 Plus sensor coupled with 10x zoom lenses. Unfortunately, it was not indicated at all what advantages this sensor brings to the high-end smartphone. Samsung first introduced the Galaxy S23 range few months ago. If there are no significant changes to the company's timeline, the Galaxy S24 is anticipated to launch around February 2024. According to a tweet from Ice Universe, Samsung is working on an AI technology for the Galaxy S24 series that is unrelated to Bixby. It's absolutely different from that. Please allow me to clarify. As you can see, Qualcomm just disclosed that they are collaborating with Meta to make Big Language Model 2 available for on-device AI applications. It's generative AI from Meta that is comparable to ChatGPT and Google's own Bard. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which will power the Galaxy S24 handsets, Qualcomm is introducing this technology to smartphones. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.